Back in the United States, and the 2023 Ocoee rafting season is well underway. Had a little bit of a cool snap this weekend, but check out this video. It's not too cold to have fun.
This is hillbilly surfing. Give me two, dig them, go, go, go. Give me two more. And relax, think happy thoughts. Give me one. Get ready for hill on the right. Good job, team. This is slice and dice proper. Being it's cold, I'm not going to give you the complimentary drop surf because I don't want to soak you down that much right now. All right, we are hitting washing machine, but we're going to go through it. Stay braced though. Thank you guys for joining the Polar Bear Club here at the Ocoee River today. Rather brisk day compared to what you usually expect, but give me three, dig them hard, go, go. We gotta hit this wave and break past it. Give me one more, dig it hard though. Good job, team. This second ledge is flipper. It doesn't flip stuff as much as one we ran. Relax, you're good. Whee! Two more, two more.
Coming May 6th, the full river will be running. You can run the upper and middle Ocoee, which is the best ride on the Ocoee, especially if me and my pals. So come on down to the Ocoee. The season's really going to kick off come Memorial Day weekend, but right now you can get a better deal on the prices. So hurry on in. Let's have some fun. See you soon.